24 Mumbai. The crew arrived a day before to ensure everything was set for the India's first customer success summit, but in true Mumbai fashion, traffic had its own plans. Well, Mumbai traffic never disappoints, right? But here I am now and we have got an amazing day ahead. Welcome to India's first customer success summit.
Hitesh, your reason for being here today?
How could I have ever missed the first CS Summit?
Oh, that's so sweet.
The whole idea of the CS Summit excited me when I went through. I think I shared this feedback with you.
Yes.
The summary which you have given on your website.
Yes.
So I found it quite relatable and quite interesting.
Yeah.
And I thought that, I could not miss this.
Oh.
So that's why I'm here.
Right. And we're so happy to have you with us here. Thank you so much for being with us here.
Thank you.
Claps. Why are you here today?
I'm here to learn about customer success.
Okay.
Hear from the leaders.
Okay.
And also network.
Amazing.
And spend the weekend in a better
Spend the
way.
weekend in a better way. But yeah, Sunday morning. I'm really sorry for that. Great. Welcome, Ayu. Okay. Anybody here who wants to share? Why are you here today? Your name, please?
Suraj.
Suraj from Gupshup.
Yeah, Suraj from Gupshup.
Yeah.
So, attended a lot of summits internally in our company, in
Okay.
our organization. I wanted to see what happens when like-minded people from other orgs come into the same place.
Right.
This is the first time it's happening in India, so I wanted to be a part of it.
Of course.
Our first panel dove deep into how customer success can drive tangible impact in organizations. As we kicked off the summit, we decided a space to organizational success. Prioritizing mental health isn't just about the well-being of employees. It's about fostering a healthy environment that enhances customer success. Because, after all, a thriving team equals to thriving customers. This energy is contagious. Everyone's ready to share, learn, and grow the customer success community. Of digital transformation in customer success. The final panel of the day focused on the future of customer success and what lies ahead. After an inspiring morning, we broke for lunch. And what better way to digest ideas than over delicious food and some collaborative brainstorming. We got everyone split into teams and they are tackling real-world customer success challenge. The teams presented their ideas to everyone and the panelists. And the winners were the green team. Congratulations to all the green team members. You're winning exciting prizes from Allin1Place Community. As the day came to an end, that's a wrap for India's first Customer Success Summit. It's been an incredible day of learning, sharing and making new connections. Stay tuned for our next summit coming soon to a city near you. Until then, keep driving success. Alright, next stop Pune, hopefully without the late Latif title this time. Do not forget to subscribe.